Hey guys, so quick video for you. If your sound is not working for your Asus laptop, I was looking for guys, how you're gonna do it. First, check on the bottom of the Asus laptop where you're gonna have the speakers. If you have the right playback device, I will show you right here. So you're gonna have it on the bottom right. There you're gonna have the speaker, and you want to actually see if the speaker is working. And if you have it as a playback device right here, and if it's not muted, because sometimes what you can do, you can have it muted. Then what you're gonna do, try to update the audio driver, and then of course the sound settings, where you have to choose the output, right? So choose the right output. Maybe that is going to do it. And then there is this video. For those that might find it straight an audio issue, headphone were working but speakers were not. That was fixed by updating my BIOS through my Asus. So try it out.